Now we talk of the physical properties. So we have seen like methanol is a gas, ethanol is a volatile liquid. So like in general, if we talk about, they are mostly solid or liquid at room temperature, except methanol, which I told you is a gas. So otherwise they are mostly solid or liquid at room temperature, and they are volatile too. And if we talk about the boiling point, it is higher than hydrocarbons and even higher than ethers. The reason being in them actually there is a dipole-dipole interaction is there, right. But if we talk about the boiling point and we compare it with alcohol, so they have lower boiling point than alcohols. They have comparatively lower boiling point than alcohol. The reason being that in alcohol there is this thing, they are able to do an hydrogen bonding, but as far as the aldehyde and ketone are concerned, they cannot show such kind of hydrogen bonding, that is intermolecular hydrogen bonding is absent in them. But here the intermolecular hydrogen bonding is there, so therefore they have a stronger force, so therefore melting and boiling point is high. And if we talk about the solubility, lower members are soluble in water. The reason being they are capable of forming a hydrogen bond. But when the atomic number increase or with the higher members, the solubility actually decreases because there exists an alkyl group. The size of the alkyl group increase, that dominates, and that is something non-polar, you all know that. So that is why it is insoluble. And there is a characteristic feature that higher members have a beautiful fragrance, so that is why they are used in perfumes and dyes. So these are the physical properties.